Hello everyone! Today we will paint landscape sunset scenery. Once landscape sketching is ready, I will attach it in the PDF and as an image in the post. I begin by wetting the paper. I let it sit for a moment so the water soaks in evenly. Let's begin. Now I start mixing color. I begin with the lavender and apply it across the sky. If you don't have a lavender color, you simply use any blue you have, or you can mix your own violet. Sometimes evening skies have this beautiful purple tone. To get it, just add a bit of red to your blue. What if you are not sure which blue or which red you want to use? Just try mix them on your palette. Look at the result. If you like the color, use it. If not, try another combination. Then I add a bit of orange and a warm red-pink tone to create those sky variation. I layer those colors both in the sky and slightly into the mountains. While the paper is still wet, I take a deeper lavender and paint the mountain. Those one which is far away from us. I paint it right over the previous layer. Next, I mix lavender with a touch of green, so your blue with green.